Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then I create motivational videos for the women who wants to connect back to their divine self-worth and wants to live life from more softer and receiving side. So if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So what I wanted to share, I realized something, okay? I realized something um I was just looking at Ma Kali's photo, and I always had this shame and guilt around sexuality, around all the pleasure. So I was looking at her, and I just started to see and feel that she's trying to communicate to me, and she's trying to talk to me, she's trying to tell me something, she's trying to make me aware of something. She's trying to make me face my own shame and guilt. And I just felt like she's just behind me, like a mother, holding me and telling me that release this shame, this guilt, this fear of your own power, this fear of pleasure, this fear of your own self, your own sexuality, your own body. Release the shame from your body. um, because I accept you the way you are, okay? There is no shame, no guilt, no rejection in me, okay? And I love you the way you are. Also, I heard and felt when I was looking at her photo, I was like, she's not wearing anything. If you look at Ma Kali's photo, she's not wearing anything. उन्होंने कुछ पहना हुआ नहीं है. और there is no cloth. Okay, she's not wearing any cloth or anything, and she's expressing her rage. वो अपने गुस्से को पूरे खोल के दिखा रही है, and she's expressing herself, her rage, her anger, and her pain and herself without any shame and guilt. शी इज़ नॉट स्केर्ड दैट लोग मुझे कैसे देखेंगे, लोग मुझे कैसे जज करेंगे, क्या इसके बाद मुझे रिजेक्शन मिलेगा, क्या इसके बाद मुझे लव मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, क्या इसके बाद लोग मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे. आई जस्ट फेल्ट शी इज़ टेलिंग मी दैट आई एक्सप्रेस्ड माई सेल्फ विदाउट एनी फियर, without any shame and guilt. Look at my photo. And I was looking at her photo and I was thinking that she's not wearing anything in this photo apart from some, the jewelries that she's wearing in traditional Kali photo. Apart from those things, she's not wearing anything. I don't have any deeper knowledge about all these things, but I started to feel that she's trying to connect with me and she's trying to tell me something. That look into your own shame and guilt. Look how you are blocking yourself from receiving and coming into your own power. How you are abusing yourself, how you are disconnected from your own self. I was not scared to express my anger, my rage, my true self. I was just walking like that with anger, killing everyone who's wrong. I was not suppressing it. I was not, making myself understand that, they did it because they have been through this, they have been through that. No, I was owning my anger and I expressed it. Then why you are not expressing it, why you are not listening to it, why you are trying to be mature, why you are trying to be so kind, so understanding, and so this and so that, why you are trying to do that? Listen to your anger, express it. It doesn't mean that I will go and start expressing my anger to those people who really did something wrong to me, or कुछ गलत किया है, कुछ गलत बोला है, या फिर जिनके साथ कुछ गलत हिस्ट्री रही है. इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि उन्हीं के सामने जाके एक्सप्रेस करना स्टार्ट कर दो, बट एक्सेप्ट इट. Accept it. See your inner child. She wants to talk to you. Don't reject her. Do not try to be so understanding towards those people who did wrong. Do not try to understand their wounds, their pain and sufferings. Do not go in past life and all those things. Right now, what you are feeling, feel them. Do not reject them. That's how you will start to accept yourself. Also, I felt that she's trying to tell me that look at my photo. I was held by Shiva. He did not reject me. He held my anger. He understood my anger. He still loved me. He still accepted me. He did not demean me for that. उन्होंने मुझे इसके लिए छोटा नहीं दिखाया, नीचा नहीं दिखाया. उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कि तुमने ऐसे कपड़े क्यों पहने थे, तुम ऐसे क्यों कर रही थी, तुम ऐसे क्यों चल रही थी, तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया, तुमने वैसा क्यों किया. He understood. He became the container for me. The right man will value it. The right man will see you. The right man will hold you. The right people will not shame you. They are not gonna guilt trip you. They are not gonna reject you, abandon you, or make you feel bad for your rage, for your anger, for how they have disappointed you. They will work on it. The right people will hold you and they will praise you for your power, and they are gonna be so happy and they will celebrate you if you will step into your own power and you will shine your own light. Okay, because my this side was also accepted, embraced. He held me, he protected me, he did not shame me, he understood it. I was also scared. I was also judging myself. I was also in dilemma and all. See, I don't know story of how Ma Parvati took Kali form. I don't know the in-depth story. But one thing I know that self-doubt सबको आता है. ओके कि मैं ये कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकती हूँ. वो हमारे अंदर का वो टाइम पीरियड है जहाँ पे हम एज अ विमेन ये फील करते हैं कि अगर मैंने अपना गुस्सा दिखाया, अगर मैंने अपना रॉनेस दिखाया, अगर मैंने अपने प्लेजर को ओन किया, अगर मैंने अपने नीड्स को ओन किया, अगर मैंने अपने रेज को ओन किया, अगर मैंने अपने सारे पार्ट्स को खुल के एक्सेप्ट किया एंड दिखाया, तो लोग मुझे रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. देन आई एम अ बैड वुमेन, देन आई एम अ बैड पर्सन, देन माई कैरेक्टर इज़ नॉट गुड, देन आई एम नॉट अ गुड वुमेन. This is not something women do. This is not acceptable. This is bad. This is shameful. Women are in a certain way. Women cannot be like this. Women cannot be erotic and women cannot be like this. वो हमारे अंदर का वो टाइम पीरियड है जहाँ पे हम अपने उस रॉ पार्ट को खुद से ही जज कर रहे हैं और अपने पावर से खुद ही डर रहे हैं कि अगर मैंने ये खुल के दुनिया के सामने दिखाया कि मैं ये हूँ, देखो मैं ये हूँ, तो मुझे रिजेक्शन मिलेगा, लोग मुझे एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, लोग मुझे रिजेक्ट कर देंगे and I'll be too much. And being too much means I'll be in danger. Something bad will happen to me. I will be isolated. Nobody will talk to me. I'll be alone. Deepest fear what we have is that I'll be alone. I'll be supported. Nobody will talk to me. I will have to spend my whole life alone. So I was just looking at her and I was feeling that she's trying to communicate to me like that, like a mother. Ki, I see you, my daughter. I see you. I don't want you to hide your pain. Look at your mother. I also expressed myself. Okay? And I was held by the masculine, by the Shiva. He did not reject me. He even praised me for expressing my true self. He helped me to come out of that shame. Don't suppress yourself. Stop shaming yourself for your needs, for your wants, for your pleasure, for everything that you want. Nothing is bad. Stop looking at your power as something which is gonna destroy the world, which is gonna destroy the people around you, which is gonna destroy you. The true power which will come from your authenticity will not destroy you, because that power is you. Okay, and it is given to you by me. You are a part of me, and if you are rejecting it, you are rejecting, sorry, you are um, so if you are rejecting it, you are rejecting me, my creation. I created you, I gave you the birth. You are created by the nature, by the universe. Okay, this power, you are a part of me. This power is given to you by me, and if you are rejecting it, you are rejecting me as well, my creation, the part of me. You are saying that my power, like I heard that Ma Kali told me that if you are feeling that your power is too much, you are saying I am too much. You cannot hold me, you are not ready, or it is bad, or something wrong will happen. Why don't you surrender your fears to me? Why don't you give your fears to me? Why don't you surrender those parts, those shadows which are blocking you from accepting this power? Why don't you give those parts to me? Why don't you tell me that, Ma, please, I am surrendering these parts to you, I am giving these parts to you, please help me to integrate these parts. So I was like, okay. I was just sitting and I was looking at her photo, and I have been looking at her photo for a very long time, but I never felt that. But I saw this quote somewhere on Instagram, and something कुछ trigger हुआ, and I started to feel like, yeah, in our society, women who are full of themselves, women who express themselves fully, they are also shamed. They attract a lot of criticism and shame from both the genders. And somewhere I also have this fear that I will be isolated, I will be outcasted, I will be rejected if I, and something wrong will happen if I will fully own my true self. If I will fully own my authenticity, if I will fully own all my pleasures, all my needs and wants and everything that I am. Because there are so many parts of me which are bad. Okay, so I just started to feel that rather than telling myself and feeling sorry for myself, why I'm not giving my shame and my pain and my sufferings and all those parts to Ma, and ask her, कि Ma, please guide me, please help me integrate these parts, please help me heal, please help me heal to, you know, express my true power, to not feel scared of my own power. मैं ये फीलिंग, आई डोंट नो अगर आप समझ पा रहे हो कि नहीं, कि मैं एक्सप्रेस ठीक से कर पा रही हूँ कि नहीं, लेकिन जिस इंटेंसिटी पे मैं अभी भी फील कर रही हूँ और जो मैंने उस टाइम भी फील किया ना, इट वॉज लाइक माई इज टेलिंग मी दैट माई डॉटर, लुक एट मी. ओके, I was not rejected for any self of mine, for any parts of mine. Okay, I have so many forms, and all forms are accepted by Shiva. He is a container for each and every forms that I have, that I am, each and every kind and type of power that I am. Then why you are so scared? this fear is just in your mind. This is just a belief that you have, that your needs are bad, that your wants are bad, that people will that people are gonna label you as a bad woman, a woman whose character is bad, who's to this, who's to that. That is going to be their shadows, which your authenticity, your light will trigger. But that's what I want. I want more people to get triggered so that some, you know, maybe after that, few people, whoever are aligned, will choose to connect back to their own power by releasing all those beliefs and all those things which you are triggering, which your light is triggering, which is mine. If they are being triggered, it is me who wants them to be triggered. So stop thinking that you are doing things, that you are triggering people, you are doing this, you are doing that. You are not doing anything. You are just embodying your light, which is coming from me. And then वो लाइट को जो करना है वो कर रही है, इसमें तुम्हारी कोई गलती नहीं है. तो अपने आप को इस ईगो से हटाओ कि तुम्हारे लाइट ने लोगों को ट्रिगर किया. जो भी हो रहा है वो मैं करवा रही हूँ, वो मैं कर रही हूँ तुम्हारे थ्रू. तो इट इज़ योर ईगो विच इज़ स्टॉपिंग यू दैट okay, I will do this, I will do that, my light will do this, my light will do that. It is not your light, it is coming from me. It's your ego which is telling you that it is you who's doing something, it is you who's triggering people. जबकि ये opposite है. I want those people to be triggered by you. I want those people to get triggered by your light, which is coming from me, so that the right people will choose to work on themselves, will choose to connect back to their own power. And I want this for everyone. I want women to connect back to their own power. And people who are not aligned, they will be triggered and they will not work on it. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm saying, but yeah, I had this realization that it's my ego which is telling me that my needs are bad, my needs are this, my needs are that, and I am doing this and I am doing that. I just need to surrender all these thoughts and all these things to Ma and ask Ma that, Ma, please help me to come out of this loop which I am in, which is telling me that my body is bad, my body is shameful, and I'm not deserving of happiness, I'm not deserving of anything good. I'm not, if she can have it, I cannot have it. If they are having it, it is done. Ma is telling me that, Priyanka, you need to understand that there is place for each and everyone in this universe. There is place for your talents and for your light as well. You will also be loved. Because most of the time my mind is like, I'm not deserving of happiness, I'm not deserving of joy. If they are having it, I cannot have it. If they are enjoying, I cannot have it. If they are moving forward, I feel good also, but then I feel now I cannot have it. So this negative talk in my mind is like, if they had it and if they are having it, I cannot have it. अगर उनको इतनी सब चीज़ें मिल रही हैं तो मुझे नहीं मिल सकती. मुझे सिर्फ वो चीज़ अपने लिए इम्पॉसिबल लगती है, मुझे लोगों के लिए नहीं लगती है. ठीक है, बिकॉज माई पर्सनैलिटी इसकी मैं लोगों के लिए बहुत ही मोटिवेटिंग हूँ, बट मुझे अपने लिए वो चीज़ें ट्रू नहीं लगती हैं. जब वो चीज़ें जब मैं अपने बारे में सोचने लगती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मुझे कैसे मिल सकती हैं, मुझे कैसे ये सब चीज़ें मिल सकती हैं. एंड I'm in a point in my life where I'm like, I'm done with all these negativity and all these negative thoughts in my mind, and all these shadows which are telling me that I'm not deserving of anything good, which are keeping me stuck in pain and sufferings, which are telling me 24 and 7 that Priyanka, you are not deserving of anything. So I end up pushing all the good things. You know, this voice in your head, बिकॉज यू नो जो हमारे माइंड में एक जो वॉइस होता है जिसको बिलीव ही नहीं होता है कि मेरे साथ भी कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है, इसको बिलीव ही नहीं होता कि मुझे भी अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट हेल्प मिल सकता है, कि मुझे भी अनकंडीशनल लव मिल सकता है, कि मेरी बाउंड्रीज भी रिस्पेक्टेड हो सकती हैं, कि लोग मुझे भी रिस्पेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कि लोग मुझे भी ऑनर कर सकते हैं, कि जो वैल्यू जो सर्विस मैं प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ, जो काम मैं कर रही हूँ, उसकी भी वैल्यू हो सकती है, उसका भी मार्केट है, उसके लिए भी लोग हैं. These days I'm working on these beliefs only because in my mind I'm like, I'm not deserving of anything good. And today I was like, I'm done with these things, I'm done with these thoughts, I'm done with these narratives in my mind. I'm done feeling like a victim all the time. I'm done telling myself that, oh, so much happened to me. Now I'm broke, I'm broken. I will never be able to attract anything good in my life. 1 minute. That I will not be able to attract any happiness in my life. I'll be just like that. I'll be just like this. So disconnected from my own body, so scared of feeling my own body, my own emotions, and just being in my head. And जो भी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में है वो नॉर्मली 80% नेगेटिव चीज़ें ही बोलती हैं. So I'm telling you, the negative thoughts you have in your head, in your mind, connect to those negative thoughts. उसको रेजिस्ट मत करिए, सुनिए. एंड ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आपको ये रियलाइज़ होगा कि आप उन्हें ऑब्ज़र्व कर रहे हैं, वो आपके ऊपर हावी नहीं हो रहे हैं. एंड कीप ऑन सरेंडरिंग दोज थॉट्स टू माँ. आस्क काली माँ दैट, माँ प्लीज़ गिव मी क्लैरिटी, प्लीज़ गिव मी क्लैरिटी, एंड प्लीज़ help me integrate this shadow which is always negative about me and about everything that I want to have in my life. Help me face this shadow, this part which I'm scared to face, which I'm scared to look at, which I'm scared to feel. Align those people, those situations, those things which are gonna help me integrate all these parts which are so negative about me, because I want to believe that I am deserving of expressing my true light, my true authenticity, and give those negative thoughts to Ma. And trust me, she will talk to you. She will align those people, those things which are gonna help you. You just have to be open to receive it. And she will help you in rewiring your conditioning, your mindset. I will share this one incident, क्योंकि मैं बाउंड्रीज़ को जब मैं इनर अथॉरिटी से बात किसी से भी करती थी ना, तो मुझे डर लगता था कि हु एम आई, कि मैं किसी से ऐसे बात कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मैं अपने आप को चूज़ कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मैं एरोगेंट लगूँगी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, जैसे ही धीरे धीरे मैंने ये करना स्टार्ट किया ना, ऐसे लोग अलाइन होना स्टार्ट हो गए जो ऑलरेडी उन चीज़ों को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, जिन्हें ऑलरेडी पता है कि ऐसी बाउंड्री भी एग्जिस्ट करती है, कि ये बाउंड्री होती है, वो उन्हें ऑलरेडी पता है. मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दे ऑलरेडी रिस्पेक्ट इट, दे ऑलरेडी नो इट, दे ऑलरेडी स्पीक फ्रॉम दैट बाउंड्री. They do not test my boundaries. They help me feel more grounded. They help me feel, I also have authority and power, and I also am someone. So yeah, it really helps. And on this note, and trust me when I say this, I was a non-believer. I always believed in universe, but and God, that they are gonna align things for me, but believing that, releasing that control, that if I am gonna ask something from the universe is gonna listen to it, एंड वो उसके सल्यूशन और चीज़ें भेजेंगे मेरे लिए, ये बिलीव करना मेरे लिए बहुत टफ था, एंड आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस कि अगर मैं यूनिवर्स को कोई चीज़ पूछ रही हूँ, गॉड को कोई चीज़ पूछ रही हूँ, तो मेरा वो कंट्रोलिंग साइड है ना, कि अभी मुझे सारी चीज़ें ढूंढनी है, रिसर्च करनी है, मुझे साइन के लिए देखना है, अच्छा मुझे ये साइन मिलेगा, मुझे वेट करना है, अच्छा मुझे सारी चीज़ें, लोग जो बोल रहे हैं, चीज़ें जो हैं, ऐड जो आ रही हैं, जो मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ, हर चीज़ को मुझे विजिलेंट रहना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू बी अटेंटिव. माई कंट्रोलिंग साइड यूज टू कम आउट, कि अभी मैंने माँ को पूछा है, गॉड को पूछा है, या फिर यूनिवर्स को कुछ पूछा है, अभी मुझे विजिलेंट रहना पड़ेगा. Maybe I have to listen to so many podcasts. Maybe I have to research or dig deep. I have to read this. I have, if I have to talk to this person, if this person is saying something, I have to be vigilant and बहुत ज़्यादा नोटिस करना पड़ेगा मुझे. और मेरे अंदर की वो एंग्जाइटी ना कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होती थी, कि कि यूनिवर्स बहुत ही पीसफुल वे में भी मेरे पास कोई मैसेज या फिर कुछ भेज सकता है, कि मेरे पास भी बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड वे में या फिर पीसफुल वे में कोई मैसेज आ सकता है. एंड कि यूनिवर्स, कि मैं जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं जहाँ पे कोई भी एफर्ट्स पुट नहीं कर रही हूँ, वहाँ पे भी यूनिवर्स मुझसे कनेक्ट कर सकता है, मेरी हेल्प कर सकता है, मेरी लाइफ में लोग भेज सकता है, लोग अलाइन कर सकता है, जहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. मुझे इस चीज़ पे बिलीव ही नहीं होता था कि लाइफ में ये चीज़ें मेरे बिना कुछ एफर्ट पुट किए भी आ सकती है. एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज टू एंड अप कंट्रोलिंग थिंग्स, सिचुएशंस, कि मैंने अभी माँ को पूछा है, यूनिवर्स को पूछा है, चलो अब मुझे कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा, अब मुझे देखना है, अब मुझे लोगों से बात करनी है, कि अब मैंने पूछ लिया है तो मुझे ज़बरदस्ती आउटकम चाहिए, ज़बरदस्ती मुझे चीज़ों को देखना है. And I used to feel so anxious, so out of my body, so much in my head. This time I am practicing, which Ma is also teaching me, Priyanka, you don't have to control everything. If you are asking me something, you will receive it whenever the time is right. You don't have to put so much efforts, कि ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसे सोचना है, वैसे सोचना है, इतना सुनना है, उतना नहीं सुनना है, अच्छा ये होगा, उनका मतलब हर चीज़ को डिकोड करते रहना, हर चीज़ को एक्स्ट्रा रिसर्च करते रहना. नहीं, सच में जो तुम्हारे लिए होगा ना, वो तुम्हें अलग ही हिट करेगा, वो तुम्हें अलग ही फील होगा, एंड तुम्हें उसके लिए कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. और तुम्हें जब वो रियलाइज़ होगा ना, तुम्हें खुद वो फील होगा कि यार मुझे इसके लिए तो कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर नॉट एबल टू सरेंडर टू गॉड और टू एनी फॉर्म ऑफ गॉड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैटर्न of trying to control everything, of not being able to believe that things can come easily in our life, that we can also receive anything without putting any effort or without doing anything. So we end up trying to control everything. Even though you are worshipping God, you are doing any sadhana, you are doing anything, we end up controlling the situation, the outcome, the answers. Okay, we end up feeling anxious कि अच्छा यार 5 दिन हो गए नहीं आया आंसर, 10 दिन हो गए नहीं आया आंसर, अच्छा यार अभी एक महीना हो गया, उसने मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे ये बोला था, मुझे ये डिकोड करना है, अच्छा मुझे सुनना चाहिए था, मैंने नहीं सुना, मैंने गलत किया, मुझे ये करना चाहिए था, मुझे वो करना चाहिए था. यू सी कितना प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं हम अपने आप पे. एक तरफ हम भगवान की पूजा कर रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ हम उन्हें ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कि अगर भगवान को मुझ तक कुछ पहुंचाना होगा तो वो मुझे वो चीज़ समझाएंगे, वो चीज़ मुझसे मिस नहीं हो सकती. वो चीज़ मिस नहीं होगी, मुझे वो चीज़ समझ में आएगी, वो चीज़ मेरे कॉन्शियसनेस से मिस आउट नहीं हो सकती, वो चीज़ मेरे अंडरस्टैंडिंग से मिस नहीं हो सकती। माँ को अगर मुझे कुछ समझाना होगा तो वो मुझे समझाएंगी और मुझे उसके लिए बहुत ही एफर्ट पुट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसके लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रोल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यहीं पे आता है कि कंट्रोल रिलीज़ करो, ट्रस्ट करो, सरेंडर करो कि आंसर्स मिलेंगे, लोग अलाइन होंगे, क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स ज़रूर मिलेंगे। मुझे अपने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स इतने वियर्ड फॉर्म में मिले ना कि मैं बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ। एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, बिकॉज मैं भी चीज़ों को बहुत डिकोड करती हूँ, सरेंडर कर नहीं पाती हूँ, कंट्रोल करने का ट्राई करती हूँ। I believe in the universe, but because of my receiving blocks, I always felt that I cannot receive anything without putting any effort. So even if I'm asking something from the universe or the god or the goddess, I have to put so much effort. मुझे बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा, मुझे बहुत चीज़ें decode करनी पड़ेगी, and I used to end up being in my head all the time. I used to end up trying to control things, not trying to trust the process, not being able to surrender or trust the process. And I used to feel bad and guilty and like dumb कि यार मेरे पास ही नहीं आ रहे answers. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you all also, that इससे भी आप relate कर सकते हो कि I totally understand कि surrender करना, आप बहुत टाइम से अगर आप अपना ध्यान खुद रख रहे हो, you are disconnected from your body or your life forced you to control things, because control release करना, that things are gonna fall apart. तो कंट्रोल रिलीज़ करना इतना ईजी नहीं होगा आपकी बॉडी के लिए, बट आप छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चंस पूछ के, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करके कंट्रोल रिलीज़ कर सकते हैं. I will finish my video here, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.